I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel.
Hey, so my client wanted bob length butterfly locks, so they came out pretty long after telling her to get the Janet collection hair. As you can see, it came 10, 12, 14 inch, so we decided to cut it to see what it would do, and of course it unraveled. And as you can see in this lock, it has like a mesh net in it. So I'm trying to get the net out to show you the net. So yeah, here's the net, the mesh net. So of course cutting it wouldn't work. So y'all, I was thinking, what the heck am I going to do? Because I know she wanted bob length butterfly locks. So I instantly thought of the lock knot bob. So I was like, well, that won't work because if I twist two together, then it's gonna be very chunky. So I folded the end of the butterfly lock. I rubber banded, as you can see in the video, and then I took my scissors and I clipped the extra hair off, which gave it a shorter look. I was like so relieved in my mind to think of this idea to make these butterfly locks shorter, because I asked her was she okay with the length, and of course I could tell that she really wasn't happy with the length. So I was like, well, girl, if I didn't think of this, like cutting it, rubber banding and cutting it, what would you would have done? And she was like, I ain't gonna lie, I just would have went home and just cut them. I would have just cut them. And I was like, well, we know cutting it wouldn't have worked. So I don't know. She was like, I was going to just figure something out. But me, I like for my clients to leave out happily. I don't want them to have to go home, get in the mirror and just start playing in their hair or doing something different to the hair because they didn't like it. And I do appreciate her honesty, because I could take criticism. I feel like as a hairstylist, you should be able to take criticism. You should be able to satisfy your client no matter if they like it, if they don't like it. Like, you should be open with your client, and your client should feel comfortable with talking with you. So yeah, so I was very excited once again, and very, very, very happy with the ending result of her style. So if y'all have any questions or any comments below, please feel free to drop them below. I'll respond back to you. If you want to see any other tutorials from me, drop it in the comments below. Thank you. Like and subscribe to my video. Love y'all.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. 'Cause I don't want this simple life.